It's a bright, cheerful day. Trees sway gently, children laugh. Zane runs across the green field, chasing the football. His sister Sarah also playing around. Eamon, their mom, enjoying watching the kids.
Hey, goal!
Yay!
Borther, would you like to join me in football? He didn't even reply to my salam. That's just so rude. Mama, that boy ignored me. I said salam and asked him nicely, but he didn't answer and just left.
That sounds strange. Maybe he wasn't trying to be rude. He could be going through something. Sometimes people seem distant when their minds are somewhere else.
Or maybe he's just plain rude. Assalamu alaikum, again! Still no reply. He must think he's better than everyone. Someone fell!
Hey, are you all right? It's okay. You're safe now. Let me help.
Thank you. He can't speak, or hear, or see properly. He gets confused easily. He's nonverbal and partially blind. He tries his best, but sometimes people misunderstand.
What? He can't hear me? I thought he was being rude, but he wasn't! He didn't even know I was talking to him. I should have not judged him too quickly. Mom was right. Everyone has his own story. Tomorrow, I will go to the park again. I want to sit with him, maybe just be there.
Zane walks to the same bench, holding 2 juice boxes. The boy is there again. Zane sits beside him, places a juice next to him, and quietly smiles. No words. No expectations. Just kindness. Sometimes, the kindest words are the ones unspoken. And the best lessons come from those who never say a word. Just remember, never judge people too quickly.